The latest offerings from Google in the form of Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro come packed with notable upgrades, including a new ultra-wide camera, enhanced display, and the cutting-edge Tensor G3 chip. However, one aspect that remains unchanged from the previous year is the absence of a charger in the box. So if you're opting for either of these new Pixel phones, we've put together a roundup of the top fast chargers tailored for the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
The Anker Nano 3 is a powerhouse in a pint-sized package, making it an excellent companion for your travels. Its compact form factor allows it to be snugly fit even the smallest pockets of your backpack, and the added convenience of foldable prongs enhance its portability. For avid travelers, investing in the Anker Nano 3 means having a reliable, powerful charger on hand at all times, seamlessly integrated into your backpack without adding any other noticeable weight. When it comes to power, the Nano 3 delivers a robust 30-watt output perfectly suited for the Pixel 8 series. Remarkably, this wattage is not just sufficient for your phone but can also handle the charging needs of a compact laptop such as a MacBook Air. Considering its diminutive size, this is undoubtedly a significant advantage. Another noteworthy point in favor for the Anker Nano 3 is its stellar reviews, and it's challenging to find any notable downsides in user experiences. While the charger may warm up slightly during use, it's a normal occurrence given its compact size. For users specifically inclined towards opting for a manufacturer's adapter, Google has you covered with its official charger designed for compatibility with the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Boasting a 30-watt output, it aligns with the power delivery of the Anker Nano, albeit in a larger form factor. The difference in size is attributed to Anker's utilization of GaN technology, which allows for a more compact design, an advantage that Google official charger does not leverage. However, if your intention is to leave the charger plugged into a wall outlet consistently, the size discrepancy becomes much less significant. The 30-watt output ensures rapid charging for your Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro, and notably this adapter can even power the Pixel Stand 2 if you decide to incorporate one into your setup. It's worth noting that unlike earlier practices, Google no longer includes a USB-C cable with its official adapter. So if the official branding is not a priority, the Anker Nano 3 emerges as a more cost-effective and equally powerful alternative. Check out this charming charger from UGREEN if you're tired of the usual plain adapters for your Pixel 8. The charging brick stands out with its adorable robot design, bringing a touch of whimsy to your charging setup. Front and center is a petite screen that cleverly displays the charging status of your connected device. Plug in and the display lights up with a cute emoji changing once the device is fully charged, a handy feature for keeping tabs on your phone from a distance. The UGREEN-Robot-Charger isn't just about functionality, it's a quirky addition to your desk aesthetics. If you got a power strip in need of a makeover, this little robot is the perfect accessory. What's more, it comes with a magnetic base allowing you to securely snap onto any metallic surface, including a MacBook. Practical, playful, and portable, this UGREEN charger brings a dash of fun to your charging routine. Looking for a top-notch charger for your Pixel 8 or 8 Pro? Spig has got you covered with the ARX Station Pro. Despite its impressive 65-watt power output, this plug-in adapter is compact and perfect for on-the-go charging. The foldable prongs make it super convenient, especially for those always on the move. Say goodbye to a cluttered charging setup, just grab this one adapter for your laptop, phone, and accessories, and Spig and 65-watt can handle them all. With dual USB-C ports, you can charge your laptop and Pixel 8 simultaneously. Need to juice up just your phone? No problem. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro got speedy charging at 27 watt and 30 watts respectively with this versatile adapter. Introducing a distinctive charging solution for your Pixel 8, this time courtesy of Geek. The Charge Retro 67, much like the UGREEN-Robot-Charger, boasts a display. Now, what sets it apart, however, is its functionality displaying the adapter's output wattage. Take a glance at the Charge Retro Charger and you might be reminded of Apple's original Macintosh machine. The real-time display allows you to monitor your Pixel 8's charging speed effortlessly. With a maximum output of 67 watts, it's not just your phone that gets a power boost, your laptop can charge up swiftly as well. The standout feature of the Charge Retro Charger is its charging split. Even when all the 3 ports are in use, the primary USB-C port consistently delivers 45 watts, ensuring your laptop receives ample power. Meanwhile, your Pixel 8 can enjoy a respectable charging speed of 20 watts using either of the other 2 ports. The Geek adapter earns high marks for its design and versatility, making it a top recommendation. So that was a list of charger for Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro that you should definitely check out. Which one would you go for? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.